Hey guys, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. You know that I love receiving email questions, whether you work in the industry or you're from a sponsor or a CRO or you're a research site owner or you're a PI and you would like to work in the industry or get involved in the clinical research. But I also answer potential study participants' emails. Not necessarily people who want to participate in one of my sites, but just people in general out there who want to learn more about clinical trials and want to join studies. Like this email today, which I'll keep anonymous. It says, "Hey Dan, I'm wanting to participate in clinical studies, phase 1 or any others. I called PPD, which is a big CRO that does a lot of phase 1 studies, and they turned me down due to a mild form of hypothyroidism. I take a low dose of medication to control it. Is hypothyroidism going to get in the way of participating anywhere else? PPD said that I would not qualify for any of their other upcoming studies. Do all other clinics also turn you away due to this disorder? I thought I'd be considered a healthy participant and could participate in phase 1 studies, but now I'm not sure I am." So let me answer that part of your question first. I'm no clinician, by the way, okay, so this is not medical advice, but from my experience, any thyroid issues have a lot of complex ramifications, meaning it could make other lab abnormalities appear, like insulin. I know the two are related. So hypothyroidism is usually going to be an exclusionary criteria for most phase 1 studies. That doesn't mean you're not going to be able to get in some. You just got to keep calling and finding out. Just basically ask around, call, use clinicaltrials.gov and search for phase 1 studies. I know sometimes if your medical condition's under control and it's stable, that they'll let you join as long as your lab value is within range. But a lot of phase 1 centers and CROs, especially for healthy volunteer studies, they really do mean healthy volunteer, meaning generally they don't want anyone on any meds and with any issues. But that doesn't mean it's impossible to get into a phase 1 study if you really want to. You just have to look for it and keep calling. And unfortunately, not all research clinics are very good at getting back to you immediately. They're busy, but keep trying and you'll eventually get a hold of someone. And who knows, maybe you'll find a trial. Let me know if you need more help. I can help you find some studies perhaps. Also, it's proven really hard to find any studies that match me. Is there somewhere that you might know of that might match you up with research facilities or a certain place you can contact that will accept healthy participants? So you may already know about clinicaltrials.gov, but if you don't, go on clinicaltrials.gov, check phase 1 and healthy participants and see all the results. There will be tons. Another one is, and here I go referring to competing sites, but I don't really care, centerwatch.com. They have a list of a lot of sites across the US, and a lot of them are phase 1. You can sort or filter by phase. And there's an interesting website called Just Another Lab Rat. So if you Google, and I'm not a fan of the name, okay, but again, I have no affiliation with these sites. Just Another Lab Rat is, from what I understand and from what I've seen, strictly about phase 1 studies, and they have like forums where people contribute and post what studies they just did and which studies are currently enrolling. So check those 3 sites out, and if you still need help, email me back. Email me back regardless. Let me know if this was helpful for you or for anyone else out there. And feel free to send any questions my way, dan@theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Also, I'm on just about every social network, Dan Svera. Add me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Cyberdust, Snapchat, anything you want. Instagram, add me on those places and we can have more of a context if you would like and have a deeper relationship. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.